Hi, my name is Hannah Brinkley, and I'm the Center Coordinator for Chinsegut Conservation Center. We're here at the brand new outdoor classroom which overlooks Mays Prairie. We're really excited to have this space to use for programs including nature journaling, dip netting, and as a stopover point on one of our many guided hikes. Although the new outdoor classroom is not available for public use, community groups and school organizations can request a program from us, including dip netting. Dip netting is a really fun program when the water levels are high enough that we actually use nets to scoop up critters that are found in the water down here. We put them in buckets, we identify them, and we talk all about what creatures call this freshwater wetland home. Visitors to Chinsegut's trails will experience the restorative effects of being out in nature. Green and blue spaces abound here. One feature that often wows first-time visitors is the view at Mays Prairie. We have a recently renovated boardwalk along the Cypress Walk Trail that leads people through cypress trees out onto a deck surrounding our new outdoor classroom. Once there, the view opens up and what reveals itself is a vibrant freshwater wetland. Hawks and owls are often seen perched in the trees, sandhill cranes nest in the marsh yearly, and wading birds often take advantage of the shallow water and are seen hunting for their next meal. Whether you stop by for a few minutes out on a hike on your own, or join us for one of our programs offered by the classroom, I'm confident you'll leave that space feeling rejuvenated. We have a lot of fun programs coming up here this summer. If you'd like to learn more, please check out our website or like us on Facebook. We look forward to seeing you out here at Chinsegut Wildlife Environmental Area sometime soon.